Imagine achieving your biggest dreams, not just through hard work or intelligence, but by mastering a hidden skill that influences every aspect of your life. What if I told you that this skill could be the key to your financial success and overall well-being? Welcome to the world of emotional intelligence, a game changer that could transform your career, relationships, and health. Today's video will uncover how understanding and harnessing this powerful skill can unlock the secrets to wealth, success, and a happier, healthier you. Stay tuned to discover how emotional intelligence could be the missing piece to your success puzzle. Emotional intelligence accounts for up to 58% of a leader's success, physical and mental health. We all dream of success. From a young age, we are encouraged to set goals, work hard, and strive for excellence. We imagine ourselves achieving great things, making a difference, and living a life of fulfillment. But the path to success is often more complex than it seems. We envision a life filled with purpose, wealth, and fulfilling relationships. We see ourselves surrounded by loved ones, celebrating milestones, and enjoying the fruits of our labor. But how do we turn these dreams into reality? What are the key elements that contribute to a successful life? But what is the secret ingredient that separates those who achieve their dreams from those who struggle to get by? Is it merely a matter of luck, or is there something more profound at play? The answer lies in understanding the deeper aspects of human potential and behavior. For years, we've been told that intelligence, or IQ, is the key. We have been led to believe that those with higher IQs are destined for success, while those with lower IQs are bound to struggle. But is this really the case? Can intelligence alone determine our fate? We've learned that hard work is the path. We are taught that dedication, perseverance, and a strong work ethic are essential for achieving our goals. And while these qualities are undoubtedly important, they are not the whole story. There is another dimension to success that is often overlooked. While these factors play a role, they are only part of the story. Success is a multifaceted phenomenon that cannot be attributed to a single factor. It involves a combination of skills, traits, and circumstances that work together to create the conditions for achievement. The missing piece? Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is the ability to understand and manage our own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. It involves skills such as empathy, self-awareness, and effective communication. Research has shown that individuals with high EQ are more likely to succeed in various aspects of life, from personal relationships to professional endeavors. By developing our emotional intelligence, we can enhance our ability to navigate the complexities of life and achieve our goals. So, what can you do today to start harnessing the power of emotional intelligence? Begin by practicing empathy, becoming more self-aware, and improving your communication skills. These small steps can lead to profound changes in your life. Remember, success is not just about what you achieve, but how you achieve it. By integrating emotional intelligence into your daily life, you can unlock your true potential and create a more fulfilling, successful future. If you found this insight valuable and want to learn more about unlocking your potential, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies on achieving success through emotional intelligence. Thank you for watching. Take a moment to reflect on your own emotional intelligence. What steps can you take today to improve it? Start your journey now and watch how it transforms your life. The illusion of hard work. Why some climb higher? Think about it. Haven't you met brilliant people stuck in dead-end jobs? These are individuals who have all the qualifications, the degrees, and the technical skills. Yet they find themselves in positions that don't reflect their true potential. Haven't you witnessed hard-working individuals passed over for promotions? They put in the hours, they meet their targets, and they go above and beyond. But somehow, they remain unnoticed, their efforts unrecognized. The truth is, raw intelligence and tireless effort aren't enough. In today's complex and interconnected world, something more is required. It's not just about what you know or how hard you work. It's about how you navigate the social landscape of the workplace. The ability to understand and manage emotions, both our own and those of others, is what truly sets us apart. This skill, often referred to as emotional intelligence, is crucial. It involves self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. This is the essence of emotional intelligence, and it's a game changer. Those who master it can build stronger relationships, navigate social complexities, and make better decisions. They are the ones who climb higher, not just because they work hard, but because they work smart. They understand that success is not just about individual effort, but about creating a positive and collaborative environment where everyone can thrive. Decoding emotional intelligence, your secret weapon. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our emotions effectively. It's a skill that can be developed and honed over time, and it plays a crucial role in our personal and professional lives. It's about being aware of how our emotions impact our thoughts and behaviors. This awareness allows us to make more informed decisions and respond to situations in a more balanced and thoughtful manner. But it goes beyond self-awareness. Emotional intelligence also involves understanding the emotions of those around us, which can significantly enhance our interactions and relationships. EI equips us to empathize with others, build strong relationships, and navigate social situations with grace. By being attuned to the emotional currents in our environment, we can respond more effectively and compassionately. This powerful ability is composed of 4 key components, each playing a vital role in our emotional and social functioning. Self-awareness, recognizing our emotions and their impact on our thoughts and actions. This is the foundation of emotional intelligence, as it allows us to understand our own emotional landscape. Empathy, understanding and sharing the feelings of others. Empathy enables us to connect with people on a deeper level, fostering trust and mutual respect. Social skills, building and maintaining healthy relationships. Good social skills are essential for effective communication, collaboration, and conflict resolution. Self-regulation, managing our emotions effectively to achieve our goals. This involves staying in control of our emotional responses, even in challenging situations, and using our emotions to drive positive outcomes. Developing emotional intelligence can lead to numerous benefits, including improved mental health, better job performance, and stronger relationships. It can also enhance our ability to cope with stress and adapt to change. By setting goals to improve our emotional intelligence, we can create a roadmap for personal growth and success. This journey involves continuous learning and practice, but the rewards are well worth the effort. As we become more emotionally intelligent, we not only improve our own lives, but also positively impact those around us. Our enhanced ability to understand and manage emotions can lead to a more harmonious and fulfilling existence. Emotional intelligence is truly a secret weapon that can transform our lives. By embracing and developing this skill, we can unlock our full potential and create a more compassionate and connected world. Self-awareness, knowing your strengths and triggers. Imagine a captain navigating a ship without a compass. That's what it's like trying to navigate life without self-awareness. Self-awareness is the foundation of emotional intelligence. It's about understanding our strengths, weaknesses, values, and motivations. It's about recognizing how our emotions influence our decisions and interactions. By becoming more self-aware, we gain clarity. We make better choices. We set ourselves up for success. Empathy, the bridge to meaningful connections. Empathy is the ability to step into another person's shoes and see the world from their perspective. It's about understanding their feelings, even if they are different from our own. In a world that often feels isolating, empathy is a superpower. It allows us to connect with others on a deeper level, build trust, and create meaningful relationships. Mastering social skills, the art of influence. Social skills are the tools we use to communicate effectively, build rapport, and influence others. They involve active listening, clear communication, and the ability to navigate social situations with confidence and grace. In a world driven by collaboration and connection, strong social skills are essential for success in all areas of life. Self-regulation, the key to unlocking your potential. Life is full of challenges. We face setbacks, disappointments, and frustrations. Self-regulation is our ability to manage these emotions effectively. It's about staying calm under pressure, controlling impulses, and adapting to change. By mastering self-regulation, we unlock our full potential and achieve our goals with resilience and grace.